What I want to ask Richie, though, a very important question. What is the plan? If you can tell us that, what is the plan for Whisper in the next 2 to 4 years? Where his career is concerned.
So his plan, as we speak, is going to be 18 in the next 20 months. So, I mean, Real Sociedad and other clubs are planning to take a look, and whoever have the best offer, he will go there when he reach the age to sign. So it wouldn't be a 4-year plan. Maybe with a 4-year plan, because whenever he goes to whatever club, he's going to have to sign for a couple of years. So that is the situation with him as we speak for the next 20 months. You just keep him developing as a prospect, and keep him healthy as a prospect, and then we go further when he reach 18. We know what we can do. I cannot make a say that he's going to go left or he's going to go right until the club or whatever make that representation themselves first and foremost. I cannot say it until they do
what
that.
What about the under-20 national team?
The under-20 national team, in the real life, I'll tell you this, because we are underprepared, or it look, and I say this to him, doesn't look like we're going to go there and do a good job, sir. I can say this. You alone cannot play. Do you understand? Or you on 4 and you on 5, or the speed of the game that he's used to, they're not playing it. Because this speed this is playing in Spain right now is top notch. And for him to go back to a slower game, him gonna be making 4 and 5 runs in vain, because them don't even know that him gonna be there. You understand? You have to have coincide. He has to be training and be cohesive with these players for months.
So Richie, what are you saying exactly? That you're not sure if you're gonna have Whisper take part in the U20 national program?
I'm not sure.
But Richie,
sure.
Which one are you leaning to? Hold on. Which one are you leaning to? Are you leaning to yes, his involvement, or no, his non-involvement?
I'm leaning to his involvement more.
Okay.
Because the player himself wants to play. But
I'm happy to hear that.
Because he wants to play.
Ask you. So what the worst could I even come from?
Make him finish.
Because me and my son have a meeting every day, you know, and I give him the pros and the cons each and every time. You know, I'm not only his father, I'm also managing my son and tell him the world of football. And he's just not a normal 16-year-old. He's a very, very, very smart 16-year-old. And he knows what he wants. He wants to be a professional footballer. So because he wants to do that, and he knows the more games he plays, the better he gets, the better he knows of a game, he is willing to represent Jamaica, the land that him love.
I hope he plays. I really do. I hope he plays.